Welcome back. Today we will discover how AI works in drug discovery. Let's see. So target identification is the very first and most critical step in drug discovery. Think of it like finding the right lock before designing the key. If the wrong target is chosen, even a well-designed drug can fail, leading to wasted time, high costs, and clinical failure. Traditionally, this process takes 4 to 5 years. Scientists collect data, form hypotheses, test them, and then select targets, often working with limited and disconnected information. But with AI and machine learning, everything changes. AI can analyze massive biological data, generate smarter hypotheses, predict outcomes, and rank the best targets, all in just 12 to 18 months. That's up to 70% faster. Faster target identification means quicker drug development, lower costs, higher success rates, and better treatments reaching patients sooner. AI plays a powerful role in target identification by going beyond basic data analysis to generate smart hypotheses. It studies complex biological data like genes, proteins, and clinical information all at once. Using advanced techniques like pattern recognition and network analysis, AI finds hidden connections in the body. This helps identify druggable targets, mainly proteins or nucleic acids that can be controlled to treat diseases. Instead of slow, manual research, AI quickly pinpoints the most promising targets. It handles massive data, uncovers new mechanisms, and speeds up discovery. The result? Faster identification of better targets and quicker development of effective therapies for patients. Step 1 in AI-driven target identification is multi-omics data integration. This means combining different types of biological data like genes, RNA, proteins, and metabolites into one complete picture. Instead of studying one gene at a time, AI analyzes all layers together. It connects the dots between complex biological systems to understand how they interact. Using techniques like pattern recognition and cross-omics correlation, AI uncovers hidden relationships and identifies key molecules involved in disease. This approach helps prioritize the most promising drug targets and reduces false leads. In short, AI transforms massive, complex data into clear insights, making drug discovery faster, smarter, and more accurate. Step 2 is knowledge graph construction using AI and NLP. AI reads millions of scientific papers, patents, and clinical reports to extract useful information. It identifies key entities like genes, proteins, diseases, and drugs and maps how they are connected, such as causes, interactions, or effects. These connections are organized into knowledge graphs, which act like a smart map of biology. AI can even link hidden insights, for example, connecting older research with new data to reveal important disease mechanisms. This helps scientists discover new relationships, generate better hypotheses, and quickly identify promising drug targets with stronger evidence. Step 3 is predictive modeling and target ranking. Once potential targets are identified, AI evaluates and ranks them based on key factors. First, druggability: can a drug effectively bind to this target? Second, safety: will it avoid harmful side effects? And third, novelty: does it offer something new and valuable? AI uses advanced models to analyze all these factors together and assign scores to each target. This allows researchers to quickly focus on the most promising candidates while filtering out risky ones. The result is smarter decisions, faster validation, lower costs, and a higher chance of successful drug development. Ever wonder how AI finds new medicines? It starts with virtual screening, where we identify a target protein and use tools like AlphaFold to predict its 3D structure with incredible accuracy. Once we see the target in 3D, we can identify binding pockets, the exact spots where a drug needs to fit. Think of it like finding the perfect keyhole for a complex lock. Next, we digitally dock millions of compounds to see which ones stick best. AI then validates these hits for stability and safety, all before anyone ever steps into a physical lab. This process turns years of research into weeks, lowering costs and accelerating the path to life-saving treatments. In 2026, AI is revolutionizing how we find drug targets. Platforms like PandaOmics use over 20 models to rank potential targets for oncology and fibrosis. Then there's AlphaFold 3, which predicts the 3D structures of proteins and DNA, helping us understand exactly where a drug can bind. The Benevolent platform uses massive knowledge graphs to uncover hidden disease links, while Recursion OS uses computer vision to analyze millions of cellular images for new patterns. Together, these tools accelerate discovery from years to months, reducing costs and enabling the next generation of first-in-class medicines. Witness the power of AI in action with the first AI-identified drug for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. It started with the proteomics platform identifying TNIK as a high-ranking target for lung fibrosis. Next, AI prediction engines validated that inhibiting this specific protein could stop the runaway scarring of lung tissue, a breakthrough in mechanistic modeling. The result? A novel drug called INS018-055. It moved from initial target identification to phase 2 clinical trials in record-breaking time. This landmark achievement proves that AI-targeted drugs can successfully enter human testing, paving the way for faster, more effective treatments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the molecular world. See you in next video. Happy learning chemistry with Harshada.